Booking a treatment course. Just click Edit Course and a course booking calendar will open. This is where you plan the patient's entire treatment course upfront. We know physiotherapy works in courses. You prescribe a set number of sessions over a specific number of weeks. The patient comes regularly, you track and review their progress, and at the end of the course, you successfully conclude their recovery. Here, you simply select which dates the patient will attend. Click on the dates to mark them as sessions. Each date you select becomes one session. This system automatically numbers them. Session 1, Session 2, and so on. Right here, we are creating a cost for 10 sessions. Now, looking at the dashboard, you can see that the first appointment day is labeled Session 1 out of 10, meaning this is the first session of the 10 prescribed. You can also set the course fee here. This is the total package price for all sessions combined. For example, if you charge 5,000 rupees for a 10-session course, just enter that right here. The patient may pay in installments over time, but the total billed amount is securely fixed at 5,000 rupees for this specific course. Once you've selected all the dates and entered the course fee, simply save the course. The draw now displays your active course. Session 1 out of 10. This is your live session counter. It updates automatically every single time the patient attends. Present 1, absent 0. These are the real-time counts of attended and missed sessions. The progress bar shows exactly how far along the patient is in their recovery. And right below that, the payment ledger. Billed shows the total course fee. Received shows how much has been paid so far. And balance is exactly what is outstanding. This ledger updates instantly every single time you record a payment. It also tracks every individual payment entry, date, amount, and payment mode. So, if a patient paid 1,000 rupees on the 1st and 1,500 rupees on the 10th, both entries are clearly recorded right here with their exact dates. Complete transparency, zero confusion about who paid what and when. Let me show you a quick example of another patient ledger to give you a clear idea of how this looks in action. Take this patient Sanjeevni. She's allotted a 14-session course and has attended 10 sessions. As you can see, her ledger perfectly tracks the fees she has paid at regular intervals and instantly highlights any pending balances. Imagine having this level of financial control and clinical clarity for every single patient. Book your full demo of Happy Clinic Pro today and let us transform how you manage your practice.